Felix.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Just sure my one's got right attitude today.
Look, he don't like the grass, that little black one.
No. It's like snow, isn't it?
Oh, touching grass.
Where you put on about the bod squad.
Yeah.
Mark sees will bring us something. This bod squad will be fine, mate.
Yeah, he's thinking that Sue's going to watch Real Cup today.
Yeah. Frank says, "Oh, second big flag," and Steve Martin says, "Tuesday."
He's the guy what runs coaches to away games.
See.
That's what he did to me before.
Oh, bastard. Hey, is that easy water off it? Where they're looking at reflection. Then
Oh.
either go to that big little baby.
Oh, where they dance?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when we were filming Tixie and Felix up there before, down here it was like the reflection of Evie and advert because there was mini Tixie and mini Felix
Do
that
it
were
say?
fighting each other
Oh.
as well.
1, 2, 3. Look at that one.
Mm.
Go play down there.
Yeah, one's eating it. He's big on grass, look at him. Go play with Pappy. That one wants to play with him, doesn't it? But he
Hey,
won't.
what those guys dares go on grass?
Look at it. Goodbye, Felix. Where's little
Felix, you horrible git.
I'm not your dad.
Felix, come here.